Guys, have you guys ever had a best day before? Well, my best day was when I got to spend time with my cousin's sister. Y'all might remember her from this video right here. That video right there, bro. And yeah, she's so let me tell you something. She's pure Sri Lankan, alright? And I'm Sri Lankan American because I was born in America, but my background is Sri Lankan. So technically I'm half Sri Lankan and half American. But she's pure Sri Lankan, so that makes us we live apart, but you know, like we keep in touch and stuff. So yeah, that was my best day. Like we had so much fun, like meeting each other for like the first time in a very long time. We had so much fun meeting each other. Yeah, so that was my best day. So comment down below, what was your guys' best day?